Hello beauty people, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add reCAPTCHA to your Wix website. First we need to go top bar and here you can see dev mode. We need to turn on this dev mode. Let's click on turn on. Now the dev mode is on. Now on the right side here you can see search. Here search for reCAPTCHA. So we are going to add a Google reCAPTCHA in our site. So let's click on this. This is Google reCAPTCHA. Just click and hold and drag it. Place it on your website. So after add the reCAPTCHA on your website, now let's off the developer mode. Click on dev mode and turn off it. Turn off dev mode. Let's click on that. Now the developer mode is off. After that, just click on publish, then it will be live. So this is how you can add reCAPTCHA to your Wix website. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.